What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights in the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. I hope y'all really pay attention to that part. To hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. That's the mission over here on this channel, and that's exactly what we're doing. Now, y'all, my team is getting on me a little bit because we're giving away too much value, and that's what we do on this channel because y'all rock with me, so I gotta rock with y'all. If you've emailed me for my Mastering Chart Patterns guide, do not worry. You're already on the list. You do not have to worry. We already got 2,500 people on the list, but I'm opening up that list for 500 additional more spots. So once we get that list to 3,000, it will be shut down. And the only way after that you'll be able to get access to my Mastering Chart Patterns guide is through the DecemberDeMarco.com website, y'all. The website is about to launch soon. We're going to have a major launch. And, I want to give out a lot of free value before, these things go on sale on the website. So Mastering Chart Patterns guide, email me, StockGoatClass, if you want one of these last 500 seats to get it for free before it is available for sale. If you already emailed me, you do not have to email again. You are already secured. Nobody has received it yet. We're waiting to get everybody on the list so that way we can just send it out one time to everyone and not have to, continuously keep, updating it and sending it to people each and every day. So again, StockGoatClass@gmail.com, y'all. Now we're going to get into this technical analysis video on Shiba Inu. I want to drop some more free value on y'all. I'm going to, type up an actual report. I'll have a typed up report on Shiba Inu's daily technical analysis for today. I'm going to be writing down some key figures, some key, areas you need to watch out for, some key indicators and things that you need to pay attention to. And I'll have this available for 100% free. Eventually, this will be a service that will be charged for, but I'm giving y'all the opportunity to get familiar with this service before I'm charging for it. So now go join the Vegas Inu Telegram if you want access to the daily Shiba Inu technical analysis report. Now, I'm going to be dropping this in there right after this video, so go ASAP. I don't know how soon I'll leave it up in there, but it will be in there. And, you'll see other ones as well as we come. I don't know if it's going to be an everyday thing, I drop it in there, or, once every other day, once a week, put it in there. But right now, I'm giving away free value today. So go join the Vegas Inu Token Telegram. The link to it is in the description of this video. Also, make sure you're following Vegas Inu Token on Twitter @Vegas Inu Token, y'all. That's our community right there. So let's get into this, y'all. We got the Shiba Inu technical analysis going on. Then take a look at the overall market prices, get into Shiba Inu, and then also, talk about some of these indicators that we need to pay attention to that help us determine what's likely to happen with the price. And I'm going to be giving y'all this report absolutely free. All you have to do is join the Vegas Inu Token Telegram, y'all. Stay tuned to the end of this video as well for a special. So right now we got overall crypto market cap at $2.71 trillion, pulling back slightly, 1.58%. Nothing major, y'all. We just pumped up. We're seeing Bitcoin all-time highs. Right now, we got Bitcoin at 71,463, Ethereum at 3,878, BNB going crazy, 604, Solana at 173, XRP at 66 cents, Cardano at 74 cents, Doge at 17 cents, AVAX at $54.02. Then we got Shiba Inu at 11th place by market cap, y'all. 11th place. Y'all know we're supposed to be in that top 10. It's okay though. This is just a little pullback I feel that's happening. Getting people the opportunity to accumulate. Notice every time we're pulling back, it's shaving off less and less discount. Every time it pulls back, it's giving you less and less discount. That tells us that, y'all, that pressure is building up. Eventually, it won't be able to, it won't be any selling pressure or as much selling pressure. Sellers will get exhausted and the price will, start to take off. So let's get into this one, y'all. Let's look at SHIB. We are sitting at 403228, up 0.44% on the day, up 3.2% for the week, and 212% for the year. Y'all get ready for the Shiba Inu Big Bang. Y'all heard me say it here first. The Shiba Inu Big Bang is on the way. It's on the way. I'm stamping it as that too. Y'all hear anybody else call it the Big Bang for SHIB? You know where they got it from, man. Take a look at this, y'all. So I want to share some sauce with y'all. We're going to call it sauce, some valuable information, some news you can use, some information to help the monetization. Let's get into this, y'all. Take a look at this. So we got our pattern we've been talking about. We see this bull flag. We already talked about that. Hopefully y'all been rocking with my other videos. Y'all will understand what this pattern means. But I want to show y'all, what you should be also watching for when it comes to other indicators. Let me get this out the way so that way y'all can fully see the price and everything as well. Okay, so take a look at this. So right now, what we have going on SHIB is showing neutral stance on both oscillators and moving averages. So let me pull up the oscillators and show y'all what that means. So similar to like our RSI, pretty much the same thing. So an oscillator is a leading indicator. A leading indicator means it's going to tell you what's likely to happen next. Not all the time is it 100% accurate, but a lot of times it can be right. So take a look right now. We got, matter of fact, let's pull up both. Let's pull up our MACD. So we got the MACD up as well as the price oscillator, and then we got our price chart. So let's see. Okay, so let me get that where y'all can see it. Let's see. I'm trying to get all the indicators in there. Okay, so it's hard to see the MACD as well. I have to adjust it like that. So there's our MACD down there. You see that yellow line with the blue line? That's the MACD. The second one right there in the middle, sitting at 38.54. That is our price oscillator. And then we have the day chart up with each candlestick representing a day and price movement. So right now, when we see these both neutral, both of these indicators being neutral. So our oscillator right now being at a 38.5, usually, not all the time, it's similar to the RSI. When we see it at levels 70 and above, it's considered overbought. When we see it at levels 35 and below, is considered oversold. So people will use this oscillator as a leading indicator to determine what's likely to happen right now. So if we pay attention on what this indicator is telling us here, so we are right now sitting at about a 38, which means we are closer to the oversold level than we are the overbought level, but we're not really in either of those areas right now. And also, if we take a look at the MACD, this yellow line, the MACD is the blue line, the signal line is this yellow line. So as the MACD is, getting closer to the signal line right here, this is also neutral because it's not bouncing off of it yet and it's not crossing below it. So usually when we see the MACD, this blue line, cross above the yellow line, that's a bullish indicator. That's telling us that the markets are likely to move upwards. When we see this blue line cross underneath the yellow line, that's a bearish signal telling us that likely the prices are starting to drop. And usually we see these indicators move before the price does. That's why they are called leading indicators. So, well, with this oscillator. So what we're looking for, right, also the MACD as well as a leading indicator. So what we're looking for is, if the blue line crosses this yellow line, that's a signal for us that, things are likely to start to sell off more. But with us being at only a 38 on a price oscillator, that tells us it's not really, it's not in that territory where, people are being greedy yet, where people are likely to just start dumping. So we recognize that as being neutral. So right now we got it in neutral. We got both of those indicators, basically at a neutral point. So that means there's basically like a balance between the buyers and the sellers. They're in agreement with where the price is, but they don't know which direction it should go yet. Sellers aren't sure if they should, push even harder. Buyers aren't sure if they should push even harder. But usually this could be a good sign, especially when we got positive catalysts coming up as well. So it indicates that there's a balance between buying and selling pressure. Also, there's no specific values for indicators such as the RSI. Let's pull that up as well. So we're going to delete our oscillators just so we can have more room on the chart. We'll delete that MACD as well. And let's pull up that RSI, our RSI, Relative Strength Index. Okay, so our RSI is currently at a 71. Now, normally, yes, that is overbought territory. Right now, technically, we are in overbought territory, but we are finding support off of this 70 level. We know that 70 above is considered overbought. And look at it, y'all. It's finding perfect support right along this area right here. So, and look back. If we look back in the chart too, we can see that this was a previous resistance area. So now we're kind of finding support at that. It is a little bit below it. It is a little below it, but right around that range, we're finding support. Now, what this could mean is this could become our new support area, and this could be the bottom, and we could be working our way up from here. And also, you know, you got to keep in mind, this is not always 100% certain that this is going to play out this way. Keep that in mind. It's not financial advice. If we get a negative catalyst right now, if Bitcoin flashes down, it will pull the rest of the market down as well. Y'all got to always remember that. Just because you're hearing price targets, price predictions, you know, likelihood of something happening, you got to always remember the other side of the coin as well. So that RSI is looking, you know, overbought, but really good at the same time. You know, it's a rare situation that we usually see it like this. But y'all, the Bitcoin halving is 34 days away. You know, when something that bullish is this close, we're going to see all types of crazy things that people didn't expect to happen starting to happen, y'all. So let's see. So our key resistance areas that we got, our key support levels, I mean, so right now are 3110. That 3110 level. Also 3017 and 2903, with the resistance levels being at 403317, 3431, and 3524. So keep that in mind. Those are some of those levels. If you see it breaking out above those levels, you know, if it makes it through those resistance points, likely we're going to keep going. If it starts to drop below those lowest support levels, likely it will keep falling. So, you know, this is all we got for this one. Just want to, you know, get y'all those levels out there, give y'all a little technical analysis on top of what already we've talked about. So we got the bull flag forming. Now we're talking about, you know, how to use oscillators, how to use your MACD, how to understand what these leading indicators mean. You have, you know, support and resistance areas. And also, if you would like this in a, you know, packaged report, join the Vegas Inu Token Telegram ASAP. Now, if you'd like to get my Mastering Chart Patterns guide free, you got to hurry up and email me, StockGoatClass@gmail.com. The DecemberDeMarco.com website launch is about to go and be big, y'all. So at that point, it's going to be for sale. So I'm trying to, you know, get y'all tapped in as possible with as much sauce as possible before the sauce, you know, is expensive. So tap in with me, StockGoatClass@gmail.com, to get that Mastering Chart Patterns guide. Again, if you've already emailed me, please do not lose your spot by emailing again asking for the guide. You've already been in position. I told y'all, open up the list to everybody that had previously emailed. If you already emailed, you're going to get this for free. I could have made a lot of money from this, y'all. Almost 3,000 people, 2,500 people right now. By the time we're done with this list, it'll be 3,000 people on the list. Think about that. Even if I sold it for, you know, $100, you know, what is that? 30,000? You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to give it away for free right now, so that way y'all get this value. Literally, it costs me to put this together. My knowledge, my time, and as well as, you know, hiring, you know, formatters, you know, proofreaders, you know, illustrators. All this had to be done to get this guide together. So if you want it free, I'm trying to tell you, StockGoatClass@gmail.com, man. Don't say I ain't never did nothing for you. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. DecemberDeMarco.com launch is about to be soon, man. Show some support. Drop DecemberDeMarco.com in the chat or in the comment section of this video. Now, the website is not launched yet, but it will be very, very soon. Just show some support, man. I have a lot of educational resources over there for y'all. Things, you know, to get in contact with me. A lot of people ask, where can I find this? Where can I find that? It'll all be on DecemberDeMarco.com. Also, I'll be having some of the Shiba Inu technical analysis daily reports over there as well for you to, you know, get access to. It's not there just yet because the website is, you know, we're putting the finishing touches on it, but it will be very, very soon. Drop DecemberDeMarco.com in the comment section. I'm going to see who really rocking with me. I want to see who the real ones that truly, truly rock with me. You know, hey, that's all I'm going to say, man. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Follow me on all platforms at DecemberDeMarco. If you're interested in getting any of my courses, remember the guide is separate from the courses. Email DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Do not email this email for the guide. That's the wrong email for the guide. This is for the courses. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com for my day trading options course, or my technical analysis course, or my Crypto 101 course. The Crypto 101 course gives you a well-rounded understanding of crypto investing, and it also helps you branch over to the DeFi side of things. I had somebody today, you know, say they were interested in getting my crypto course, but they weren't too sure because they thought they were too much of a beginner for it to be valuable for them. Y'all, each of my courses start off for a beginner and walk you through knowing the type of information that someone on my level would know. So it starts you off at that level and pulls you all the way through. Literally, I made these courses and jam-packed as much value as I can. If you're somebody who takes courses and you can compare my course to other people's courses, you're going to be very impressed. And, some people are really blown out of the water by how much value I truly pack into these courses. That's just my, that's my brand. That's what I'm about. I'm about giving value. So, when it comes to that, I try to, really give as much bang for the buck as possible. So, if you're interested in any of my resources, again, join the Vegas Inu Token Telegram to get the daily Shiba Inu daily technical analysis report. It will be in there after this video. If you're interested in any of my courses, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. If you want access to the Mastering Chart Patterns Guide for free for a limited time, email StockGoatClass@gmail.com. Again, you got to hurry up. There's probably less than 400 seats left right now, y'all. So that's all we got for this video. Follow me on all platforms. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.